Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I did a Bible study over on YouTube regarding Ezekiel chapter 38 and 39. The reason why I put in two chapters is because they're in context. And this is what God is trying to tell you within the Bible and I'm going to give you some Bible tips to bring the Bible alive and for you to better understand this chapter and what this chapter is trying to say. Getting into it, the first thing is these two chapters are broken down 7 parts. The first part is the mobilization of Gog to invade Israel. This gives us a picture of God's power to overrule evil, given to us in chapter 38, verses 1 to 9. Second, the motive of Gog for attacking Israel. This gives us a picture of greed and covetousness in chapter 38, verses 10 to 13. Third, the Lord's purpose of stirring Gog to attack Israel. This gives us a picture of the need for the people to know the Lord in chapter 38, verses 14 to 17. Fourth, the Lord's judgment of Gog, given to us in chapter 38, verses 17 to 23. Fifth, the Lord's punishment of Gog, which is completed. God's desire for holiness in chapter 39, verses 1 to 16. Six, the Lord's terrifying call to the supper or the feast of God. This gives us a picture of retribution, a just punishment due to sin, given to us in chapter 39, verses 17 to 24. And finally, the seventh, the Lord's sevenfold purpose for restoring Israel and protecting the people from Gog, given to us in chapter 39, verses 25 to 29. Now, let me give you a quick intro, so tell you a little bit about what to expect out of this chapter. Ezekiel raises the curtain on a dramatic, suspenseful scene. A ruler named Gog is mobilizing a coalition of nations for war against Israel. Even though the nation is not a threat to anyone, at long last, it is living in peace and prosperity and safety. Unprepared for the attack, Israel's only hope is God will miraculously intervene. The prophet goes on to describe how the Lord uses his power to deliver Israel and usher in a glorious future of peace and prosperity for the entire world. This is the Lord's deliverance of Israel from the evil prince Gog, a picture of God protecting his people. Also, to give you a little deeper understanding of Gog, the events described in this passage are easy to follow and understand. However, in attempting to determine who Gog is and when this invasion of Israel took place, scholars have offered many conflicting interpretations regarding these two chapters. To keep from disrupting the reader's study of this scripture, a discussion of differences is discovered throughout the study. At the end of with commentaries, scholars, there's deep division and understanding and going deep into this. So try to do some research about who Gog is and things of that nature. I hope this was helpful. God bless you and God bless your family. Sorry, that was my dog. See you later.